Okay, here's a good question. It says to simplify this. So there's -2 exponent, so we can just flip the whole thing and make that exponent +2. Looks good. And then probably I would divide common bases. Now you have to be careful there because often you think this 2 belongs with the x cubed, but it's multiply. So they're sort of fair game. So the 2 has to stay where it's at. So I'd have x to the -5 minus 3, right? Because I'm dividing common bases, so subtract their exponents. And then with the y's, it'd be y to the 4, take away a -3, and then I have a 2 on the bottom, squared. Okay, so that would give me x to the -8, y to the +7, all over 2 squared. Now I can apply that 2 to everybody inside the brackets. So it'll be this times 2, and then 2 the first times 2. So I'll have x to the -16, y to the 14, all over 2 squared, or just 4. And you could probably leave your answer like that, but typically if they ask you to simplify, they want you to get rid of the negative exponent, so I'd slip that to the bottom. So I'd call it y to the 14th over x to the +16, and a 4. Usually we'd put that out front. So that's how I'd finish the question. Hopefully that helps.